channel Biostats Insights, where we are going to discuss about statistics and biostatistics concept. Today is agenda. So first we have to understand who is the father of statistics. So PC Mahanapolis is the father of statistics who given the statistics terms and driven the different types of statistic technology. First we have to understand what is statistics. So statistics, it's a technique or a science where we have to do collecting, analyzing, interpreting, presenting, and organizing data to make informed decision or understand patterns and trend. So statistics is a branch of mathematics where basically in statistics we have to be different types of procedures, and based on the procedure we can conclude or we can provide information about our data. Then what in terms of example we can understand, for example in a school they wants to understand the average height of a student, so the process would involve many steps like a collection. First they have to be measure the height of each student in the class, analyzing, calculate the average height. Average average height, how we will calculate, is it total number height of students and number of students. Interpretation, determining if the average height indicate that the students are growing taller compared to previous year. It means that they can check or they can interpret that students age or students height are growing as compared to previous data. So how can they can present it? First they can to be the average height, so this is the calculation, you can say the calculative data. But how could we present that data? With the help of graph or chart we can show the distribution of the height among the students. Organization, so organization kept these records in our database and they can help them to understand the reference articles. Okay, next, what is biostatistics? So biostatistics is specialized a branch of statistics that applies a statistics method to biological, medical, and health related research. So in like the name says biostatistics. So it is the two separate combination that comes with the biostatistics, bio plus statistics. So statistics is the technique where we have to analyze or we have to make inference about data with the help of different procedures. Bio means biological. When we are doing calculation or we have providing the method for calculating or analyzing the bio results or bio analysis, so it will comes as biostatistics. That mentions in the PPT also. You can read it here also. Then in the example we can understand in the better way. For example, if a researcher wants to study the effectiveness of new drug to lower BP, the process might involve first design. They have to create design where they have a group of patient in a new drug while another group receive a placebo. So placebo is nothing, it's a drug that doesn't neither impact or not defect. So it's just a neutral drug they are providing and they are comparing it. Collection, gather data on blood pressure levels from both group over a set of period. Analyzing, use a statistical method to compare the BP levels between the two groups. Interpretation, determine whether the new drug significantly lower BP compared to the placebo. So with the help of this design and analysis, we can conclude that the new drug would be effective to the placebo or not. Presentation, publish finding in medical journals. Okay, so presentation means you can find our findings and you can include or illustrate in the medical journals, including graph tables to illustrate the result. Organization, maintain detailed records to use the further studies and methodology. Again, how, what, I mean, where we can use or what is the application of a statistics? So statistics mainly used in anywhere in the any of the field. For example, you can say in the census or census, like every 10 years the census is done by the government, and at that time the census is totally the outcomes that we get it from the census totally a types of statistics work. So statistics will be applied in anywhere where we have a data, we can start apply the statistics. For example, business and economics, in the business fields and economics, environmental science, sports, research and development, government and public policy, and demography. Yeah, demography is the type where I'm talking about the census. It's because in the census we can understand the demography or our population, how many populations are there, how many males are there and females are there, what is the childbirth, what is a vital birth. So there is many phenomena that you can understand with the help of statistics. And biostatistics, so as I said earlier, biostatistics is a biological data. So for example, in the clinical trials, the recent, you have to see that the COVID and wave. So in the COVID, what happened, the vaccination, everything will comes undergoes with the clinical trials. So clinical trials, we can use bioanalysis, epidemiology, genetics, public health sectors, environmental health, and bioinformatics. Mainly biostatistics is mainly used by the recommendation by the US FDA. For example, if you want to publish any drug, you want to genetics drugs or a new drug. So for that drug, you have to do further phenomena, and in the one phenomena where you need biostatistician to do bioanalysis. So for that, you need a biostatistics and a biostatistician who has expertise of this field. So yeah, that, thank you everyone. We will come back with the help of the good content. Let's stay connected. Bye bye.